Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this CADPower video, I'm going to talk about the BOM POQ tools, and within that I'm going to focus on the ERP export tools where you can export ERP specific information. Now ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning, and it's a enterprise level function which allows you to store all your design data in a structured manner, and here we can see how CADPower will help you achieve some of those goals. Now in a separate video you may have seen this command where we export the unstructured table data in CAD or AutoCAD into CSV files which go into Excel. So I'm running that command, but I'm going to highlight more on the ERP export section. So if you choose this option, export ERP data, you need to provide these information like project name, project number, the drawing part name or part number, and the revision number. So in this case, I am running this command where I am going to create an Excel output from this table data. And in addition, I am going to also specify these ERP data. So I have already entered these values here. I have put the today's date as the dummy project number. The project name I put it as CADPower demo. Drawing number I put it as whatever is the drawing number, and the revision I put it as 01. So if I say OK, now this exports the data into a CSV file. Now you have probably seen this in another video. So in this case I am just going to show you how the ERP information looks like. So convert to Excel, example 1 was the name of my drawing, and it has appended a revision 01 at the end of this file name, and a CSV file is generated. So if I open this CSV file, so you can see all the table information is available here in the CSV file, and at the bottom here on row number 53 onwards you can see that the ERP project name, project number, and revision number is shown. Now how this helps is that in a ERP system you can generate multiple CSV files which denote different revisions of the design. In this case we have shown here revision 01, but you may also have 02, 03, 04. So all these different revisions get saved in your folder with its own file name called revision 01, 02, 03 and so on. And then your ERP system will be able to read this information and archive it in the ERP storage system. So this is a very simple way by which we can export design data from AutoCAD or CAD. So you can see here it's shown in AutoCAD, and it works exactly in the same way. It's available in the ERP export tools. So we can export table data from CAD or AutoCAD with the ERP revision info, which includes the project name, project title, project date, revision number, and so on. So if you are in the business of integrating your CAD with ERP systems, do let us know. What we have shown you is only a simple example of how we can generate an interface between CAD and ERP. Of course, we can customize it very easily for your specific requirements, like we have already done this in many of our user locations. Thank you for watching this video, and do let me know if you have any questions.